Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. Well, we started Saturday sunny. Clouds have rapidly moved in here. Some stratocumulus clouds, and they're going to move out again later on this afternoon and evening. So let's go through this interesting weather pattern. How about a snowfall check? Average snowfall for November through March here in Kansas City is 18.8 inches. So far this year, we've had 4.5. We did not think it was going to be much of a winter this year, and it's heading in that direction. Last year, we only had 5.3 inches of snow. I believe we have not had 2 consecutive winters with less than 10 inches of snow. That may be changing here this year. We just don't have a lot of snow in the forecast, although there is a system to keep an eye on. Now, there's no big storm systems out there, just a lot of little ones to keep an eye on. So let's kind of go through this as we go into Saturday here today. This is a satellite picture, and the low clouds are racing in from the south, and they will be with us for a few hours today, and then they'll move out. There may be a snow flurry or two up in northeast Missouri, but that is moving away. So let's go into our PowerCast here. This afternoon, it's going to be in the 40s, between 40 and 45 degrees. It depends when these clouds get out of here, but most likely around 45 or so, maybe at the last minute as the clouds clear at the last minute. Then tonight a cold front will come through, the winds will come down to around 28 or 29 by morning, and then tomorrow afternoon, a very nice day with temperatures in the upper 40s to low 50s, and we are going to have sunshine and a light wind. This is some of the newer data. It looks like it's a little cooler, but we're still going to go in the low 50s tomorrow with plenty of sunshine. Then, as we go into Sunday night, look at that. Temperature drops to 37, 38, 39, and starts to rise back to 41 by Monday morning. And then as we go through the day, on Monday, yes, it could get into the 50s with a warm front approaching. I think we're going to have a lot of clouds on Monday, and there might be a little mist or drizzle, especially on the Missouri side moving eastward. So we'll keep an eye on that. A trace to a few hundredths of an inch would be all we would get. And we'll have to see also that 58 is contingent on the warm front passing. If it doesn't quite pass, it'll only be in the low 50s, but it's going to be cloudy, more humid as Gulf of Mexico moisture increases. Kind of an odd day there on Monday. And then on Tuesday, 55 to 60 in the morning, depending on the timing of the front. The sooner the front comes through, the cooler it'll be. And it's a strong cold front. 57 here, 16 in Valentine, Nebraska, and this front will come blasting through Tuesday afternoon and evening, and down go the temperatures. Look at that, to 20 below zero in Bismarck, North Dakota. We won't get that cold, but we'll be in the teens and 20s on Wednesday. All of this without much precipitation, maybe that little bit of drizzle on Monday. Now, what about snowfall? There is a small system to keep an eye on for Wednesday night. And when I say small, I mean small. Look at this thing. The latest data has it centered on Kansas City. A little bit of snow, but this little system can end up being further north, further south, or not even there at all. And so we'll keep an eye on it. It's not a very big storm, but Wednesday night, Thursday morning, if we do get any snow, it'll be cold enough to stick and cold enough to make some issues on the road. So we'll have to just keep a close eye on that. So let's go through this roller coaster ride of temperatures today. Mostly cloudy and windy at 3 p.m., 46. Then the skies clear out, 5 p.m. to 43. Still windy. Then this evening clear, but much less wind. Temperatures fall into the upper 20s by morning. And then as we look at the 7-day forecast, 46 today, 51 tomorrow, 58 on Monday. Again, Monday contingent on that warm front passing. Should get somewhere 55 to 60 on Tuesday with more wind, down to 14 by Wednesday morning, and then in the 20s Wednesday and Thursday, and that chance for a little bit of snow Wednesday night, Thursday morning, and then guess what? Next weekend, it warms right back up. So up and down and all around we go. Have a great weekend.